In this video, I would like to share about a bidirectional visitor counter project that is programmed using CircuitPython on Maker Nano RP2040. This project involved two IR sensors, I2C LCD, and I made a casing using a 3D printer. The connection of the sensor and LCD to the microcontroller is shown as follows. Make sure the connection is correct, then connect the USB cable. You can use the code example I shared in the Cytron tutorial page. Since this code is using rotary I/O library, the signal sequence from both sensors must be correct to allow it to detect visitors in or out. That's all for today, and stay tuned for the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.